Hey, and welcome back to Lucid Equity, where we turn the confusing parts of money into one clear, simple move. If this channel helps you understand money better, do me one quick favor before we start. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. It really helps. Imagine turning $500 a month, about the cost of eating out a few times, into more than $1 million without ever working a single extra hour. Sounds fake, right? It is not. It is just something almost nobody explains simply. By the end of this video, you will know 10 proven ways to make your money work for you, from the safest to the most powerful. But first, the real question we have to answer. Why does some people's money grow, while other people's money just sits there and slowly disappears? Let us find out. Here's the simplest way to think about money. Every single dollar you own is like a tiny worker. You can let it sit on the couch doing nothing, or you can send it out to earn more money for you, even while you sleep. Most people have hundreds, even thousands of these little workers sitting idle in a checking account, earning almost nothing. Today, we are going to give every dollar a job. There are 10 jobs, and they get more powerful as we go. Job number 10 is the one the wealthy quietly use to pull way ahead, and we will get there, I promise. But first, the safest job of all. Quick thing before we keep going. If this is already making money feel simpler, do me a small favor. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. It genuinely helps me make more of these, and it makes sure you do not miss the next one. Alright, let us start with job number 1. These first 3 jobs are what I call the safe floor. This is money that should never lose value, your cash and your emergency savings. It will not make you rich on its own, but leaving it idle is like paying a silent fee every single year. Let us fix that. Way number 1, a high-yield savings account. A normal bank account pays you almost nothing, about 1 penny for every $100. A high-yield savings account is the exact same thing, safe, insured, and you can grab your money anytime, except it pays you around 4%. So $10,000 that earns you $1 a year in a big bank earns you about $420 a year here. Same money, just a smarter parking spot. But what if you have a bigger pile of cash you want kept safe? There is an even better spot most people have never heard of. Way number 2, Treasury bills and money market funds. A Treasury bill is basically you lending money to the US government for a short time, and they pay you back with interest, right now about 4%. It is considered one of the safest things you can do with money on the entire planet. $25,000 parked here earns about $1,000 with almost no risk. This is where smart people keep cash they are not ready to invest yet. Now, every pile of cash has one enemy: prices keep rising every year. So how do you stop your money from slowly losing its value? That is job number 3. Way number 3, an I-bond. This is a special government savings bond built to fight inflation, that slow rise in prices that makes everything cost more each year. Its interest goes up when inflation goes up, so your money keeps its buying power. Right now it pays about 4.26%, and you skip state taxes on it. Think of it as a shield for your savings. Okay, the safe floor is set. Now for the part that actually builds wealth. This is where it gets exciting. These next 4 jobs are the compounding core, the real engine. The safe floor protects your money, this part multiplies it. This is how ordinary people, with ordinary salaries, quietly end up with $1 million. And it starts with the closest thing to free money that exists. Way number 4, your employer 401k match. A 401k is just a retirement account you get through your job. Here is the magic part: many employers promise to match the money you put in. So if you add money, they add money too, for free. If they match 5% and you earn $60,000, that is $3,000 extra a year you did not have to work for. And that free $3,000 a year, growing over 30 years, becomes over $500,000. Turning that down is like refusing a raise. So where should this money actually go to grow? That is way number 5, and it is the big one. Way number 5, an index fund. Now buying one single company's stock is risky. If that one company fails, your money is gone. An index fund fixes that. Think of it as a giant basket that holds 500 of America's biggest companies all at once. When you buy one share of it, you own a tiny slice of every one of them. Over the long run, this basket has grown about 10% a year on average. You are not trying to pick the winner, you are quietly owning all of them. But what does 10% a year actually do over time? The answer is honestly a little shocking. Watch this: $500 a month, going into an index fund that grows at 10%. After 10 years, about $100,000. After 20 years, $380,000. After 30 years, over $1.1 million. And here's the wild part, out of that 1.1 million, you only put in 180,000 of your own money. The rest, almost $1 million, was made by your money making more money. That is called compounding, and it is the most powerful force in all of finance. Now what if you could keep every penny of that growth and pay zero tax on it? Way number 6, the Roth. A Roth is a special version of that investment account with one amazing rule. You pay a little tax now when the money goes in, and then everything it grows into comes out completely tax-free later. Imagine paying tax on a tiny seed and never paying tax on the giant tree it becomes. In 2026, you can put up to $7,500 a year into one. Same investments, you just keep far more of the reward. Okay, but all of this only works if you actually do it. So how do you make sure it happens every month without relying on willpower? Way number 7, automate it. This is the quiet trick behind almost every wealthy person. You set up an automatic transfer so the moment your paycheck lands, some of it moves straight into your investments before you can spend it. You never see it, so you never miss it. Doing the same amount every month is called dollar cost averaging, and it takes all the guesswork and emotion out of investing. Set it up once, and every other step happens on its own. Now, remember I promised you job number 10, the one the wealthy really use? We are almost there. But first, 2 ways to get paid just for holding your investments. These last 3 jobs are about ownership and income, assets that put cash back into your pocket while you own them, and they have the highest ceiling of all. A little more risk, but a lot more reward. Way number 8, dividends. Some companies share their profits with the people who own their stock, paying you a little cash every few months just for holding. It is like owning an apple tree that keeps handing you apples. And if you use those payments to buy even more shares, those new shares pay you too. It becomes a snowball that grows on its own, whether the market is up or down. Speaking of owning things that pay you, what about real estate without needing a mortgage or a house? Way number 9, a REIT. That stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, and it is basically a company that owns buildings, apartments, warehouses, shopping centers, and by law, it must hand most of its rental income to its owners. So you can own a slice of real estate for the price of 1 share and collect around 4% a year in income without ever fixing a leaky roof or chasing down a tenant. It is the income of a landlord with the ease of buying a stock. And that finally brings us to job number 10. The one I promised, the one that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Way number 10, own the thing itself. Every job so far is you lending your money to someone else's system. The wealthiest people take one more step. They own the asset outright, a business, a piece of a company, or a skill that keeps earning while they sleep. When you own equity, your income is no longer limited by your hours. It can multiply many times over. Index funds are the floor of ownership. Owning what you build is the ceiling. That is the secret of job number 10. Now let me show you why choosing the right job matters more than almost anything else. Here's the moment that should change how you see money. Take the exact same $500 a month for 30 years. Leave it in a savings account earning 4%, and you end up with about $347,000. Put it into an index fund earning 10%. And you end up with over 1.1 million. Same money, same 30 years. The only difference is the job you gave your dollars, and that difference is worth almost $800,000. So how do you use all 10 together? You stack them in order. First, build your safe floor, a few months of expenses in high-yield savings. Second, grab your full 401k match. Never leave free money behind. Third, feed the engine. Open a Roth and invest in index funds automatically. Fourth, once that is running, add ownership and income, dividends, rate, and eventually equity in what you build. Floor, then core, then ownership. That order is the whole game. And here is the best news, especially if you are young. Even $200 a month, growing at 10% for 40 years, becomes over $1.2 million. And you only put in about $96,000 of it yourself. You do not need a big salary. You need time and the patience to let your money do the heavy lifting for you. There is one mistake that quietly costs the most, and it is simple: waiting. Every year your money sits idle is a year of growth you can never get back, because your earliest dollars have the most time to grow. Starting even 10 years late can cut your final amount in half. You do not need the perfect plan. You just need to start now, while time is still on your side. So here is exactly what to do this week. 1. Open a high-yield savings account and move your cash into it. 2. Check your 401k and set it to grab the full match. 3. Open a Roth and turn on one small automatic transfer. Even $50 is enough to begin. 3 simple moves, and your money officially starts working the same hours you do, except it never takes a day off. So remember this. The wealthy are not rich because they work more hours. They are rich because their money works for them, and now yours can too. Give every dollar a job. Start with the safe floor, build the compounding core, and reach for real ownership. Then let time do the rest. If this made money feel simpler, subscribe. One confusing money topic made simple every week. And tell me down below, which of the 10 are you starting first? This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. 10% is a long-run average, not a guarantee, and the rates mentioned are accurate as of 2026 and will change. Always do your own research or talk to a licensed professional.